Top mass timber buildings of 2022. With mass wood becoming a more popular construction material, we continue our year in review by looking at 9 of the most interesting cross-laminated timber and glued laminated timber buildings of 2022. This year has seen the usage of cross-laminated timber, CLT, and glued laminated timber, glulam, to create buildings ranging in scale and form from an angular residential tower to a tubular holiday cottage. Prexburg in Austria. The tubular bird homes were inspired by cartoon characters and were one of the year's most strangely shaped buildings. 4 of the spherical constructions were created as guest accommodations at the Styra Camp Pogast restaurant in the rural town of Pogast. The houses, which are covered in shingles and have enormous circular windows, were built using prefabricated components made of bent cross-laminated timber. The factory-made components were subsequently assembled on-site. Karuk Architects. More cabin in Canada. Karuk Architects created this spectacular, cantilevered vacation home to stand out from its natural setting overlooking a lake in Quebec. The cabin was built using glulam beams, CLT panels, and extra steel supports. Build Perkins and Wills Camp Lakota in the United States. At a Girl Scouts of Greater Los Angeles campground in California, architecture firm Perkins and Will used mass timber to build 24 cabins and a 1,022 square meter dining hall. The cottages at Camp Lakota are made of timber structural insulated panels, SIPs, and supported by a timber frame, while the main hall is made of glulam. Your own scene. Fraser Moore's Ashria, UK. The unusual Ashria house is surrounded by a massive CLT arch in the Chiltern Hills area of outstanding natural beauty. The grass-topped house was supposed to be both modern and incorporated into the landscape. Internal walls were created using chalk blocks, in addition to the timber roof structure, to lessen the home's environmental impact. Planned in Norway. The Plus factory, located in a Norwegian forest, was built by Danish studio Big to be the world's most environmentally friendly furniture factory for outdoor furniture producer Vester. The Passive House factory was built from certified cross-laminated timber and glulam and was designed in 4 double-height wings fanning out from a central office area, each containing a separate stage of the company's production line. USA, by SRG Partnership. Seattle-based architecture firm SRG Partnership added a F canopy supported by a glulam structure to Hayward Field, pictured above and top, which is the track and field facility for the University of Oregon. The canopy rises from the seating in slightly curved arches as a nod to the forests of the Pacific Northwest. USA, by Core Plus Associates Architects at 86.6 meters, the Ascent Residential Tower in Wisconsin officially became the world's tallest timber building this year. Designed by Core Plus Associates Architects, the 25-story tower has a concrete base, elevator and stair shafts, with the rest of the structure made from CLT and glulam. The building, which contains luxury apartments on the upper levels and retail on the ground floor, replaced the 1.4-meter high Jostharnet building in Norway as the title holder. Skidmore, Owings and Maryland Burkhardt Plus partner designed the United Nations offices in Switzerland. Skidmore, Owings and Maryland Burkhardt Plus partner designed this 24,000 square meter hybrid mass timber and concrete office complex for the United Nations site in Geneva. The facility was designed to house 1,500 employees and is organized around two diamond-shaped courtyards with enormous quantities of windows that allow views of the campus and Lake Geneva. King's Cross Sports Hall, UK, by Bennett's Associates UK Studio. Bennett's Associates used a combination of CLT and glulam to create the King's Cross Sports Hall in London, which is currently being used as the Construction Skills Centre. Built to the north of King's Cross, the Sports Centre was designed to be a lightweight structure as it is 3 meters above a railway tunnel.